at artificial intelligence and the role it plays in research and data analysis. So, what is research and data analysis? Research actually entails just investigating a particular topic by gathering data based on this topic that can be both qualitative, which speaks to the subjective measures of the topic, and then quantitative, which are more objective mathematical measures to identify any patterns, relationships, and trends. So, what is the point of research and data analysis? So, these topics have implications in business. So, for example, allowing businesses and companies to gain insights into their operations, whether it has to do with the productivity and the ability of their employees, or how um, certain other companies are interacting with their products, with their sales, services, etc. So for policy and society, research is what gives governments and other organizations insights into how certain operations are are progressing. So, for example, if a government wants to know the necessity of a certain increase or decrease in a budget for a area. Using research and data analysis is how exactly they can pinpoint what needs to be done. For academia and science, research and data analysis is very widely applied in a large range of academic disciplines in order to just build on existing knowledge as well as develop new knowledge. Now, what is the role of artificial intelligence specifically in research and data analysis? Now, AI, what it does is it streamlines research and data analysis by a great deal because traditionally data analysis involves using very complex statistical and mathematical methods in order to gain these insights. But what AI does is that it has the capability to detect patterns that might be missed even by human eyes because they might be too intricate to be observed on a cursory notice. Um, Furthermore, the natural language processing ability of AI enables research to become a lot more accessible because you can use text-based queries and prompts, especially from unstructured sources. So think books and existing papers. Furthermore, when it comes to visualization and reporting, AI gives researchers the ability to develop interactive dashboards and charts to make the outcomes or the things that they have found a lot more interactive. Now we have specific tools that we're going to look at for research and data analysis. So we have ChatGPT Advanced Data Analysis. So ChatGPT Advanced Data Analysis combines natural language understanding with data analysis capabilities. So instead of the complex mathematical formulae that's normally required, ChatGPT can use natural language, so simple English text, to give insights about data set. So what we can do is we can generate summaries, identify trends, perform calculations, and create visualizations. So we're going to do a hands-on demonstration to gain statistical insights from an existing data set. So just to switch. So all you have to do in order to get these insights is upload the relevant data set. So here we have a data set with insurance information that shows the premiums paid by different age groups over different geographical areas. So say we want to just create a document showing statistical insights and giving recommendations based on the information in the data set. All we have to do is just use natural language to type that in, and we can get a document showing what we need. So here it's analyzing the document to kind of gain a better understanding of the information contained inside the dataset. And if you press it, it shows you exactly what kind of code, functions, or formulae that it's using to do so, just in case if you, as the researcher, take a look at it and there is a particular um, say insight that you want to gain, you can simply edit this code in order to do so. So we also have visualizations that it has created. So here it asks if we'd like to compile the findings into a Word document. So we just say a PDF, and it goes back through, kind of analyzes the information that it just created. So we can see that, and it creates the PDF here. So with a click, we can have it downloaded. And then here is what we have. Um, if you want more information, then all you have to do is engineer your prompt to request it more specific or less specific, basically anything that you would need. Now, the next tool that we'll take a look at is Power BI. So Power BI is a Microsoft tool. Um, Power BI AI is kind of the name given to all of the different artificial intelligence features that have been integrated into this tool. So what these features do is they enable Power BI to automatically detect trends as well as develop visualizations that help show these trends. And users can also interact with the data similarly to ChatGPT using natural language queries. So this demonstration will also involve using uh, the tool to explore a data set. So, okay, so this is the dashboard for BI visualizations. So to actually upload a particular report that you would want, what we're going to do is we're going to press the new report button, and the information that we want, we're going to press upload either Excel or CSV depending on your file type. We're going to upload our file. So using the same insurance data set that we took a look at earlier, um, and then we press next. And then this actually shows you just the structure of the data set. So we created. And here it's in the process of preparing your data and loading your data to the report so that the AI tools can have an easier time just analyzing it. Okay, so here this data set has been uploaded, and the first thing we can do is go to the rightmost menu to see the different data points that we have. So here, for example, it goes age, BMI, charges, etc. So say we want to have a comparison of, let's say, the region and the average charges that the people in a particular region would have. What we're going to do is we're going to select those two um, headings, so region and charges, and then it automatically gives you the sum of the charges. So we can change that here to the average, and then we have the option to use the Copilot AI tool. So Copilot is the Microsoft tool that allows you to use natural language processing to generate just output. In this case, it's very specific to where it can be used. So in this particular workspace, it's not available. There are specific workspace requirements. You can get insights by right-clicking and choosing the three-dot menu. So here, um, it opens an Insight tab, which would be able to show you the top insights, which are basically the highlights of the data points, and then just all possible information that could be gained. So think statistical methods as well as recommendations. And because this feature is in preview, it's kind of in a beta testing arena. So it doesn't always pick up the particular insights that can be gained. And that is the end of this presentation.